Mike, what's your take from what happened in the last 48 hours? At this point, could anything happen?
So our take would be a little bit different. I mean, we would argue that the primary vote was an anti-austerity vote, actually, and the secondary consideration was Brexit. And the reason we'd say that is because, you know, Corbyn and the Labour Party campaigned on an anti-Brexit ticket, and that was the party that won the seat. So we would say that was probably the primary thing that we were thinking about, and that makes sterling a bit more complicated because, of course, sterling on the one hand now has the political risk premium, and therefore you can quite easily see why it should be down. In the longer term, if you get a slight shift in the relationship between fiscal policy and monetary policy, then things become a little bit more nuanced. Because, of course, if you bring forward fiscal policy, then potentially, you know, first rate hike is priced for the middle of 2019. So I think it's reasonable that you've seen a dip in sterling, but we wouldn't necessarily expect it to come under a lot of pressure here.